May you give us a picture of TWAICE today?
TWAICE is building predictive analytics solutions for companies working with batteries and for them to reduce risks and enable opportunities. So TWAICE customers are actually saving time and costs while increasing battery performance and lifetime. TWAICE uses a unique approach of deep battery knowledge in combination with artificial intelligence to build the TWAICE predictive battery analytics platform, which provides insights along every step of the battery lifecycle.
TWAICE is a startup that is hitting hard, with already 75 million in funding and over 110 employees. Why is TWAICE and the demand for and the investment in its solutions growing so fast?
Well, the demand for lithium-ion batteries has actually grown a lot over the last few years, which is due to the fact that, of course, we are transitioning towards greener energy and emission-free mobility. And it's very fortunate that this transition is coming very quickly. It's actually coming quicker than anyone has anticipated. But it also comes with a couple of challenges, which are rooted in the non-linear aging behavior of lithium-ion batteries. And so it's essential for the industries to get more insights, to know better how to handle these challenges. And that's exactly where TWAICE comes in, right? So TWAICE solutions are actually dearly needed at the moment to really overcome these challenges in the market. And that's why we see such a high demand.
How is TWAICE currently expanding from a geographical and industry perspective?
So today, TWAICE is the leader in predictive battery analytics in Europe and the US, and both serving customers in the stationary storage market as well as the mobility industry. Next to our headquarters in Munich, Germany, where we have also our battery laboratories located, we also have offices in Chicago in the US and in Paris, France. And from these three locations, we're actually serving customers worldwide with our predictive battery analytics solutions.
TWAICE started offering battery simulation models, then energy solutions, and now electric bus fleet solutions. Could you briefly explain why you decided to enter the fleet industry?
As TWAICE, we see ourselves as the accelerator in this transition towards emission-free mobility. And this acceleration comes really at the right moment now for bus fleets. If we're looking at the goals that, for example, the European Union has set for decarbonizing bus fleets, we really see that there is a high need in now tackling the challenges that come with lithium-ion battery-powered fleets. And both bus operators as well as OEMs need a strong partner who's an expert in batteries to tackle all these challenges that come on top of just day-to-day operations associated with bus fleets. And so for TWAICE, it was a logical next step to go on bus fleets and offer solutions there.
What are the features and key benefits of the bus fleet solutions?
So the bus fleet solutions are mainly evolving around an accurate state of health estimation of the bus fleet, which is purely based on a machine learning approach, so only based on field data. And it's the foundation for multiple features that we're building on top of it. So to give an example, a range calculator to see how range is evolving, recommendations for when to swap a battery, such that it's not taken out too early or too late out of a bus, but also insights on how usage and charging actually affects aging, to then drive optimization on these to reduce total cost of ownership.
Is there any case study you'd like to mention regarding the application of your solutions to the fleet industry market, either private or public sector?
Actually, one use case all of our customers are seeing today is that they plan to swap the battery at least once in the vehicle's lifetime. And here it is especially crucial not to swap too early or too late. Swapping too early really doesn't take the full potential out of this battery. Swapping too late risks a reliable operation and maybe even brings up safety issues. And TWAICE is, by the accurate state of health estimation that we're giving, really the right indicator for an operator to know when to swap. And our results are by that also backed by our partner Munich Re, such that we can guarantee the results that we're giving and offer a money-back guarantee of 8 times the money that was paid for the original solutions if we shouldn't be as accurate as promised.
This is a question that fleet operators might have, which is OEMs already offer an SOH estimation. Why should then bus fleet operators work with TWAICE?
There are mainly 3 reasons why working with TWAICE pays off in this regard. So firstly, the SOH estimation that comes from the bus OEMs usually comes from an on-vehicle analytics system, which has way less computational power than what TWAICE is using in a cloud-based analytics approach. That makes TWAICE SOH estimations a lot more accurate than what can be received from a vehicle. And one indicator for the lack of accuracy is that a lot of operators still have to perform actual measurements of the state of health, as the one that is coming from the vehicle cannot be relied on. Secondly, TWAICE offers independent state of health estimations, which is especially important if we're talking, for example, about warranty cases that need an independent evaluation. But this independence also allows for benchmarking against other fleets, which then really gives useful insights on how to improve and how to slow down battery aging based on operation and charging. And last but not least, I already just mentioned it, the cooperation with Munich Re really offers guaranteed results on the state of health, which an OEM does not provide.
You have talked about how battery analytics is already shaping the fleet industry. Any ideas on how it will affect the fleet industry in the coming years?
Yes, for sure. So at the moment, battery analytics are still very much focused on analyzing the usage and charging behavior of batteries, with the ultimate aim to slow down aging and by that reducing TCO. In the future, battery analytics will enable a lot more opportunities. And just to name one, vehicle to grid. Right? It will be one of those that will be big in the fleet industry, because it will allow to make profit centers out of batteries that are not in use at the moment. But building a profitable business case around that will only be possible by predictive analytics on the batteries.
Are you currently observing any trends in the fleet industry that are of crucial importance, which should be taken into consideration for the delivery of TWAICE solutions?
So if I had to pick one, that's probably connectivity. As such, it's an old megatrend, right, that we have been already seeing for decades. But it's currently evolving from rather simpler telematic systems into those that collect a lot more data and at higher accuracy, which is the foundation for TWAICE solutions to build on. So artificial intelligence and all these algorithms only work on high quality data. but they will also enable a lot more opportunities in the future, and fleet operators and also OEMs will rely a lot on these artificial intelligence solutions that are built on the telematics. So while there's a lot more trends going on, I think that's one of the most important ones we are observing at the moment.
Again, thank you very much for your time, Svea, Chief Product Officer of TWAICE.
Thank you.